Hello, CR scholars. Today we will do Unit 4, The Old House from our English workbook. Let's start. Okay, children, take out page number 32, Unit 4, The Old House. Worksheet 1. Children, this is a poem and this poem is written by Ruskin Bond. Children, in this poem, the poet had tried to portray a world where everything is dreamy and possible. He had imagined some of the impossible things. Let's see which are those impossible things. If mice could roar, and elephants soar, and trees grow up in the sky. Children, for him, in his own world of imagination, he imagines that if mice could roar, generally, children, which animal roar? Yes, the tiger roars. So he imagines that mice could roar and elephants soar. Children, soar means rise up in the sky. And elephant is a heavy animal. Is it possible? Can a heavy object fly in the sky or soar in the sky? No, but for him, for the poet, in his own world of imagination, it is possible for him. And trees grow up in the sky. Have you ever seen any tree in the sky? No, it is not possible. If tigers could dine on biscuits and wine, and the fattest of men could fly. Children, he imagines that if tigers could dine on biscuits and wine, it means uh, tigers should eat their food happily and peacefully. Generally, what they do? They jump on their prey, they attack on other animals. So for him, in his own world of imagination, he wanted everything happy and peaceful, and which is possible for everything. And and the fattest of men could fly. Is it possible? Can a fat man fly? No. If pebbles could sing and bells never ring, and teachers were lost in the post. Children, pebbles means small stones. And can a stone sing or say something? No. But for him, the pebbles could sing and bells never ring. What do bells do, children? They they generally give a sound, melodious sound, and he wanted to say that bells never ring. So it is not possible. And teachers were lost in the post. Children, here post means job, and teachers were lost in their job. If a tortoise could run and losses be won and bullies be buttered on toast. Children, here the poet wanted to say that if a tortoise could run, so he could win the race. So losses be won. If it is possible for the tortoise, if he could run fast, so he could win the race. Have you heard the race about tortoise and the rabbit? Yes. And bullies be buttered on toast. Children, bullies means someone who hurts or frighten someone else. And bullies be buttered on toast. Buttered means spread. Children, here the poet wanted to say that those who harm someone else, those who frighten someone else, they should we should teach a lesson to them. We should give them some punishment. If a song brought a shower and a gun grew a flower, this world would be nicer than most. Here, children, these two lines, the poet tried to say that if we sing a song, if some music is played, So showers could come, and a gun grew a flower. Children, here the poet wanted to say that he wishes a world where if a gun is fired and flowers grew out instead of bullets. Generally, when we fire and bullets are coming out. So he wanted to say that when a gun is fired, flowers should come. So he wanted the world which is full of happiness, which is where there is no violence, no crime, everyone should live happily and everything is possible for everyone. But children, it is not possible in reality. Yes, we all are different. We all have different qualities. But he imagines that the world should be peaceful, where there is no crime, where there is no violence. But we should live happily. Yes? Okay, children, take out page number 35, worksheet number 2, exercise A. Children, we all live in different kinds of houses and we give names to those different houses. You have to find the missing letters from this word grid and you have to get the names of those different houses. The first one is done for you. First one is apartment. Like this, you have to find the names of those houses by your own. Come to exercise B. Here are some sentences which show the use of personification. What is personification, children? Yes, when human qualities are given to non-living objects. What you have to do? Choose any one and draw it in the box to depict it visually. Depict means, children, to show something in a picture, in a drawing. And visually means it should appear like that. For example, I have taken sentence number 2. My clock screamed at me to wake up. Now, screamed, it is an human quality and this quality we have given to a clock. So, I have drew the picture like this. I have drew the picture of clock which shows the human quality. So, like this, you can take any sentence and you can visualize that object in a personified manner. Okay. I hope you will do it. Bye bye. Good day.